knows it's raining outside, but it's thundering and lightning. And do you remember when Gypsy was very scared of that? She didn't like loud noises ever. She's gotten so much better, didn't she? Yeah. She still doesn't like it, but it's better. We don't freak out anymore. Good old East Texas rain. Good girl.